Alright guys, everything is here. I got a cam, as you know from the sneak preview. I already opened everything up already, but I'll show you everything. This is the MSD, sorry about that. This is the MSD delete kit. There you go. Doing this all with one hand, so you guys saw this already, but shims, retainers, locators, of course, springs, and the big boy. Oh, hardened push rods right here. And this is the big boy. It's a Greene Racing Cam, 0.5 high lift V2 cam. And I will do one last cold start before the cam goes in. I mean, for leave. Cam will be going in this Saturday. That's the last cold start before it really chops. And I'll have a video on that, and the install and the first startup. So, there it is. Can't wait.